Hello?
Mabuhay! Thank you for calling TTHM Restaurant, where culinary excellence meets exceptional service. How can we make your dining experience special today?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Fantastic! We're excited to have you dine with us. May I start with your name?
I'm Julianne Villarreal.
May I spell out your name? J for Juliet, U for Uniform, L for Lima, I for India, E for Echo, A for Alpha, N for November, and another N for November, V for Victory, I for India, L for Lima, and another L for Lima, A for Alpha, R for Romeo, E for Echo, A for Alpha, and L for Lima. Did I get your name right, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
Sir 936-153-4394. And that's it.
Thank you. Miss Villarreal, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 3 person.
What time do you want your reservation?
Tonight, 8 p.m.
Do you prefer smoking area or non-smoking area, ma'am?
I would prepare a smoking area, please.
May I repeat your reservation, ma'am? You have your table reservation at 8 p.m. today, May 31, 2024, for 3 person only in the smoking area under your name, Miss Villarreal, with a contact number of 0936-1534-394. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
No, nothing. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Villarreal. Your reservation is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you to CTHM Restaurant and making your visit memorable. If you have any other questions or need to make changes, feel free to call us. Thank you. Have a great day.